Alright, my peeps, so what we're gonna do, since I'm running low on my expanded EM1, we're gonna make some more. We're gonna do another batch, a new batch. So here are my notes. EM1 Pro TeraGanix. So we're gonna do 1 liter. 1 liter of water. You see it? 1 L, 1 liter. Okay. And what that consists of is either 40 mils of molasses and 50 mils of EM1 or expanded EM1, or just keep it simple, 50 millimeters of molasses and EM1. So that's what we're gonna do, 50 millimeters of both. Okay, and here's the rest if you want to do 1 quart, 1 gallon, 5 gallons. Yeah. And all you need is 1 ounce, 30 millimeters of EM1 or expanded EM1 per 1 gallon of clean water. And you could add it to your water, foliar spray, do whatever you want. But yeah, so that's my notes for TeraGanix EM1 effective microorganisms. Alright, my peeps. And we're gonna use 3 different type of molasses. Okay, we're gonna use the Hybrix, the earth juice. Okay, we're also gonna use the Roots Organics, the Trinity. Okay, and we're also gonna use the Aura Innovation Soul Infinity. Okay, so first is gonna be 30 mils of expanded EM1, and then a second round of 20 mils, so that should be 50 mils. We're gonna add it to 1 liter of water. That's 30. Now we need 20 more, and that's it. We just add the molasses. That should be good enough. Okay, and as far as the molasses, we're gonna do 30 of the Hybrix since we have a lot of it, and then we're gonna do 10 and 10 of the small containers, the Roots Organics, the Aora Innovations. Super child-proof, man. Alright, let's do this. Use 30. Looks about right. Alright, we're good with that. And now we're gonna do 10 of this one, the Roots Organic, and then we're gonna do 10 of the Soul. That should cover our molasses. Where are you at? Right here. Okay, so 10. We only need 20. Should be good enough. And then there you go. There you go. That should be good enough. 20. Alright, we're done with this batch. And now we're going to do the second one. Alright. Pull this up. And the second one. So that we're done with this one, alright? And that's all it takes. And then we're going to check in a couple of days. We're actually going to put the date on it. And then we're going to check in a couple of days the pH. And it should be at 3. And then most of the molasses should be consumed. But there you go. Expanded EM1. Okay, part 1. Because we're going to do this one. So I'm going to empty this out on the second part. You guys going to see. So stay tuned. But yeah, so that's EM1. Alright, peace, love, and health.